Get out of there please, Ethan, you've already broken a branch.
Here, Mum.
About 10 or 15 pounds weight, yeah? I've got a key, Ethan. Go in.
Go in, Stinky. Go in.
What will do?
They might have a bigger ladder.
You know
The Hunts
I'm
might.
going to ask the neighbours if... I think I can work out.
Wow, look how it's moving. That's amazing. It's quite... Oh, someone's walking past with a little kid. Hang on a minute. Oh, sorry.
I think we're going to do it by just cutting the branch and wait till it hit the deck.
I've got a higher one than that. Yeah, if you want to. Sure. We've got a higher step ladder you can borrow if you want.
That would be fantastic.
Yeah, we'll just get rid of this and I'll bring it back. Cheers. Thank you very much.
I'm going to get ready to go in here.
I'm riding behind it.
Go inside, boys.
No, they're alright.
Are they alright?
Yeah. As long as they're not underneath me. They are, have a swan.
Oh my word.
Can I see?
No, Ethan. Oh,
Just
maybe.
don't come any
Don't come
closer.
closer because they might all fly off.
Where was the big beehive?
It's in there. Right, what we're going to do, we're going to turn it upside down. We're
Don't-
going to put it gently on the sheets. And leave it like that. And then any bees that are flying around, by the time it gets dark, will go in there. And you see, look what they've been doing. They've obviously been sat there for